Jellyfish are beautiful creatures, but in recent years, they have become a growing concern for beachgoers, coastal communities, and the environment. Jellyfish overpopulation is a pressing issue caused by ocean warming, which is a direct result of global warming. Warmer ocean temperatures are not only ideal for jellyfish to thrive, but they also reduce the population of their natural predators. Millions of jellyfish stings occur worldwide each year, and in Malaysia alone, we have seen many dangerous cases of jellyfish stings at beaches, and even death is reported. It's a very serious environmental issue, as in long-term impact, decomposition of jellyfish consumes oxygen in water, creating that zone where only jellyfish can survive in the ocean. My interactive installation project named Watt'sAJellyfish. The term "watt" refers to unit of power. As energy demand rises due to population growth and economic development, this project aims to inspire environmental action by reducing power consumption in our daily life and mitigating the impact of global warming, in order to conserve beauty of jellyfish by reducing their population, minimizing problem costs, and conserve their natural purity. When users touch to turn off the lamp, some jellyfish installations will be lightened up and glow in the dark, symbolizing conserved beauty of jellyfish by reducing their population as some of them fade into the darkness. Let's work together to ensure jellyfish remain a wonder of the ocean, not a threat to fear.